Okay, so I'm currently charging my other battery right now because I was super duper irresponsible and forgot to charge that battery while I was using this fully charged battery, which is no longer fully charged and is blinking red. And I have 3 chargers, but I lost one of them, so I only have 3 batteries, and I only have 2 of them right now because I lost the other one somewhere, no idea where it is. So this might die and then I'll have to switch, and it's literally 11 o'clock because let me explain my day. So at 11 o'clock this morning, I left to hang out with 2 of my friends, and we hung out for like a few hours. I had to work today from 3 to 10, and I had to leave at like 2:20, and then came home really fast, went to the bathroom, changed, and then went straight to work, and I've been working ever since and forgot to film yesterday for today, so this is probably not going to go up till midnight, but I swear tomorrow will be different. Okay, today I want to talk about Pokemon Go because why not? It's everywhere, and I wanted to jump on the bandwagon. No, I didn't, but it happened anyway, so I mean... Basically, my friend Anna and Carrie both play Pokemon, and they wanted to play Pokemon today, and I was like, you know what, I mean, I've been meaning to download it, even though I really didn't want to, because I didn't want to be that person who plays it just like everybody else, got sucked into the world. I know I really didn't want to, but I did it anyway, and it's fun, but it's like really addicting, like I knew it would be, and I keep checking just to make sure there's no Pokemon in my room or anything. And oh, it's bad. I'm really mad, but like kind of like okay with it, you know. I'm only on level, that was 3, I'm only on level 4, and today I tried to catch one Pokemon, I forget what it was, I don't know, it was some snake thing. I was in a coffee shop, and I was like, Anna, is this even worth it? And she was like, yes, get it if you can. So I tried to catch it, like literally, I threw my Pokeball at it, like, it took me like 3 tries to get it, and then I got it, and then it escaped, and then I tried again like 5 times, and every single time I caught it, it escaped. And then when it was done, it just like, before I could catch it again, it ran away. So I was just like, whatever. It kind of made me mad, but whatever. Whatever. God, what has my life come to? Let's see how many Pokies I've caught. Let's see, 1, 2, 6. I've caught 13 Pokemon. The first one I caught was Squirtle. I don't know if everybody catches that first. I think so. It's probably like the starter Pokemon. I have no idea. I have Krabby, Pidgey. I don't even know what any of these mean. I literally don't know anything about Pokemon. I just know Pokemon Go is fun and you should play it. But don't get too carried away. Like, if you're going to play Pokemon with your friends, here's what I recommend. You can look at your phone every once in a while to try and find a Pokemon, but don't, like, look at your phone the whole entire time you guys are hanging out just to find Pokemon. Use it as a social event. Use it as a, let's hang out and have fun and talk about other things than Pokemon, but every once in a while, oh, look, there's a Pokemon, catch it. Like, you know, that's all it should be. It shouldn't be, I'm glued to my phone 24/7 looking for Pokemon everywhere. Gotta catch them all. That's all I really wanted to say. I just wanted to say I was trying to be that person who did not get addicted, and hopefully that will still stand. I doubt it, honestly. If you've never played Pokemon Go, I mean, I don't know. If you want your life to be taken away by a video game, I'd recommend playing it. Otherwise, I would stay far away. Just don't even look at Pokemon Go. Don't even look at the post that your friends are posting. I don't know what I'm saying. To block all your friends that play Pokemon Go. Just block everybody. Block everything that has to do with Pokemon Go, or else you will get sucked in eventually. It will happen no matter how hard you deny, how hard you try, how many times you tell yourself you're not going to download it. You will eventually get sucked into the black hole of Pokemon Go. On that note, I'm ending, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Also, yes, my tongue and lips are red because I had Italian ice. Yeah, I hate food coloring, but what are you gonna do?